going on, guys? Today is July 26th, 2021. We got our third box of clearly Donruss basketball 2020-2021. We're going to be rolling the dice for the random and pairing everyone up. We're only going to re-roll if we get snake eyes, and if there's multiple players player cards, then they will be randomized between the players on the card. So we're going to roll the dice now to see how many times we randomize each list. 2 and 4 make 6, so we're going to randomize the list 6 times. So I'm going to take you guys over here. Whoops. All right. So each spot got 3 teams. So 10 spots. Nicholas K 2, Joe I, Riley W 2, Dustin D, James W, Jeff B, Lauren M, and Art N. We did that 3 times. So Nicholas K 2, Joe I, Riley W 2, Dustin D, James W, Jeff B, Lauren M, and Art N. Nicholas K 2, Joe I, Riley W 2, Dustin D, James W, Jeff B, Lauren M, Art N. So we're going to copy and paste it into random.org. Like I said, 6 times because we got 6 on the dice. Good luck to everyone. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final time. Nicholas K on top, James W on bottom. Gonna copy or paste that into the Google Doc, and then we're going to copy and paste the teams. 6 times randomized on random.org. Hawks on top, Wizards on bottom. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final time. Good luck to everyone, like I said. We got Bulls on top with the Spurs on bottom. And we are going to sort it. Art N with the Celtics, Trailblazers, Cavaliers. Dustin D with the Nuggets, Jazz, and Heat. James W with the Pelicans, Pacers, and Spurs. Jeff B with the Grizzlies, Mavericks, and Suns. Joe I with the Hawks, Clippers, and Knicks. Lauren M with the Kings, Rockets, and Thunder. Nicholas K with the Bulls, Timberwolves, Hornets, Nets, Magic, and Warriors. Riley W, 76ers, Wizards, Pistons, Bucks, Raptors, and the Lakers. So I'm going to give you guys a minute to make trades if you would like. Otherwise, we will get started on the break. And Scott, like I said, will get yours ripped right after this. Brian, I don't know if you want that filled up, or I'm sorry, ripped on the live. Just let me know if you want that Pokemon ripped live.
So we'll sell either full boxes or we'll do whole break, and then we'll open the box. So we sell like the spots on those. So what he's doing now is ranking teams.
All right, so we got the jersey box filled up, so we will get that ripped probably after Scott's.
In that box, that's what yeah. So there's obviously like certain teams people are looking for. So like you just said, you could trade if you want. And I think I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe $20. Do we have it at for like 2 teams?
You got 2 megas, which is like NBA hoops, and it was like premium stock and select mega.
It's possible.
Yeah.
Or you
Select football.
Or you do one really big.
Okay. Aaron Naismith, hey, that could be a hold, I'm telling you. Go ahead, do about another 30 seconds, and then we'll get ripping. Scott, we'll do yours right after this one. We'll do this right after this one, because you had technically first dibs. We'll call it first dibs. Like I said, we got the 4th break on the site. If you guys want to join Luminance, that is also on the site, and we are going to get started because it does not look like we're going to have any trades, which I'm happy to see. All right, let's get started. We got our 3rd break of clearly Donruss. Now, of course, you can pull call them and they'll show good luck all once again. Like I said, you could pull the rookie retros. So I know Doncic is in there, Trae Young, Paul George, I think Joel Embiid, Ben Simmons, Zion, I think. I might be wrong. I don't know if Zion's in it, but I know like Luka's in it, Trae Young is. Let me make sure that this is focused because it does not look like it's focused. Oh. There we go. Art. That's funny. Anyway. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully we can pull something good, like I said. Third box, we got our fourth one on the site. If you guys want to go check that out, I have it linked in the chat. There it is, empty. And we do have 4 packs. So, good luck to everyone. 4 packs. 5 cards a pack. Let's try to pull a rookie retro, an auto, something low numbered. All right. We got, starting off, Joel Embiid. Got Jeremy Grant. John Collins. This is just the regular gold. Paul Reed rookie, and a Zeke Naji rookie for the Nuggets. And like I always say, everything will be sleeved and top loaded properly. No worries there. All right. Looks like we got our insert here. John Wall, Nikola Vucevic. Oh, nice. I see it. LaMelo Ball, the rookies. There we go. 2 out of our 3 boxes had LaMelo. LaMelo Ball, the rookies. That's what we like to see. No complaints when you get a LaMelo in a box. Moses Brown and a Facundo Campazzo, rated rookie. See, I like clearly Donruss because it's like a nice easy break. Nothing too complicated. All right. We got a backwards card. Could be a good sign. Julius Randle. I think we'll go from the back first. We got a Rudy Gobert purple. Purples are not numbered. Tyrese Maxey. Isaac Okoro, so 2 good rookies there. And, oh, other way. For the 76ers, Mason Jones. I think this is an auto. Boom. Now, obviously, autos are not guaranteed in a box, so to get one is nice. Just a base auto, but real nice. Horrible signature, though. Mason Jones, come on. Let's work on the laziness. All right, pretty solid pack. Got a red. Well, we might get a numbered card, too. It's a good box compared to what we've seen. Mason who? Mason Jones. Mason Jones for the 76ers. Tyler Hero. Chris Middleton. We got a red. Oh, rated rookie, I think. Yep. Xavier Tillman out of 49. There we go. Udoka Azubuike. And a Sadiq Bey. There we go. Out of 49 for the Grizzlies. Riley, did you have the 76ers? All right, there we go. Thanks to everyone who joined. Congrats to everyone who hit. We're going to get these all packaged up and shipped out as soon as we can. Like I said, if you guys want to go check out our other breaks on sportscardzone.com, we still got Museum Collection, Luminance, and we have our 4th break of Clearly Donruss on the site as well. So appreciate you guys for joining, and have a good one.